and welcome to video number 3 on our E46 project. So off camera we gave her a bit of a wash, so she now looks pretty fabulous if you ask me. Like, the color is really popping. The only thing we have seen is that there are like swirls over the entire car.
Yeah, there are. And also the good news is we replaced the hood in the last video and there is really no color difference with the fenders or the front bumper at all, so yeah, pretty good.
The only thing we did not see was this. So this car had a bit of a rubs with something, shopping cart, who knows.
Yeah.
But yeah, so the car ain't perfect, but you wouldn't say that this car is 20 years old. That's, oh yeah.
Well, maybe a little bit.
Maybe a little bit. So that is actually the kick panel on the driver's side. We noticed it was loose and yeah, we removed it. So Aaron, tell us, what is the plan for today?
Well, like, I have this panel in my hand. It's really to fix up all the little things of the car. So like this panel, just make sure it's seated back correctly. Take off the interior panels to glue them up later so that the fabric is back attached to the car.
So this pillar and this one is also a bit shot.
Then maybe fix this rear light a little bit, that is loose. So really all the small things on this car, like this. Then in the interior we're gonna replace the center console with the original grey one and take this black one out. Also replace this little trim piece with the original grey color, which we
already have in the trunk.
This came with the car, so that's all good.
So, and for the fun part,
so we're gonna take the front seats out, give this interior a really good clean. Actually, we don't really have an extractor or something, so it's gonna be a basic interior clean with all the products we have, and make sure every small corner of the car is back
up to par. So
yeah, back to very clean state.
So the exterior is now pretty much dialed, except for that blinker, but you guys know that already. So our main goal today is get this interior looking the best we can. Because the driver's seats, we have some like color that has come loose and the leather there is a bit cracked. So those things are not really fixable with just cleaning products. But everything else, we should be able to clean it up really nicely,
I think.
So what's the first thing? Take out the seats?
Take out the seats so we can access all the panels that are a little loose some better and reattach them. And then
you go from there.
Cleaning.
All right, let's get started. So taking a quick look under the seats, we found one Capri Sun, one straw, so one writing stick with a stilo, a random little baggie, I don't know what it's for.
A writing stick.
Then we have another writing stick.
A pen.
A pen. I was looking for the word, I didn't find it. It's a pen.
There's another one.
And we also found a can of Red Bull.
And this one is ours. So.
That's ours. Yeah. So, and also we found a bunch of cigarette ash there, and a bunch of cigarette ash on the other side, and then we found,
and the
little
emergency box or
the
something.
little cubby space under the front passenger side seat, like the lid is broken.
So we're gonna take that
box out,
because to find that part, I think we'll have to search
far and wide.
Yeah.
So first things first, let's maybe vacuum a bit, just so we have somewhat of a clean.
Maybe first take the center console out, so
and then vacuum.
The dirt under the center console, we can
vacuum it also
with the rest of it. So we're first gonna take this out, vacuum it all, give it a little clean, and put it all back together.
Alright.
And we have here, look, a Torx bit, and that's not ours, so
We have a new Torx.
Yeah.
Achievement unlocked. Find Torx. All right, let's get going. So Aaron was just gonna change this bit, and now he has taken out like the whole radio and stuff. And why was it again?
Well, because I want to fix this lid that's broken, and because the cable that came from the radio, the aux cable,
We need to reroute it.
yeah, it was like here, but the other center console doesn't have the cup holders, so it doesn't come out here, and I want to reroute it in like a nicer place for
connecting it.
Yeah, for connecting it and for putting it away, that it's not just like loose here.
Okay.
So I'm taking everything out to reroute it. I think.
So meanwhile, while Aaron has been doing that, I've been playing around a bit with my pressure washer on these floor mats. So these floor mats used to be like dull and stuff, and now they are kind of, except for the driver's one, this one's really dirty, but it's kind of better. So we don't have a drill, so Aaron got these drill brushes, but I forgot my power tool, so I was hand scrubbing them and then rinsing them out every time. And I gotta say, at the moment they look better. Don't know if they're gonna be dry, if they're gonna be still be better, but we'll keep you updated on this. So guys, quick update on the interior. So we cleaned this up, and Aaron, yeah, did this in the wrong order.
I have to mess something up.
Yes, you have to, but this all came out really nice. Now these are a bit scratched up and like the coating is giving away a bit, so that's a bit of a bummer, but we cleaned up this original center console. Aaron is installing that, and then I have been busy with a little bit of my good old trusty Chemical Guys trim gel, getting these side mirrors back to original black color. And if you guys don't remember what the original mirror looked like, well, it looked like this, like all faded, and with a little bit of trim gel we got them back to black. So guys, a big fast forward because it's dark out. We have been just cleaning this car, and I don't think we time-lapsed like a lot of it, but to give you guys a rundown. So Aaron is finishing up the seat.
Yeah,
so both seats were out. We cleaned them with the car chain bladder cleaner. They got a bit tidier. I cleaned the rear windows from the inside. Still need to do the outside again. Cleaned up the rear bench. Cleaned up underneath the trunk. So all the rust is out of these buckets. Aaron figured out how the spare wheel works. So that's all clean now underneath here. So that's also really nice. The jack is back in its normal position. And otherwise, yeah, we cleaned up the whole center console plastics. So those are all cleaned up now. And yeah, we got a few stains out of the carpet with our interior cleaner, which is an amazing product. Yeah, and the rear seats are also a lot cleaner.
This car just cleaned up
really nicely.
Really nicely. I mean, the center console is back to the original gray one, so that's really a big difference.
Yeah, we have the full original interior back. Yeah, Aaron fixed this little thingy like we showed you, so that goes back up. They both work, so that's awesome. We got the buttons cleaned up around these were just filthy AF. And yeah, the seats cleaned up as much as they could, and the door cards are clean again. And I don't think we got that much else that we're gonna do today.
No,
so,
I don't think so. So the rear light is still like,
we still don't have a
loose.
blinker.
Yeah, okay. We still don't have the two front blinkers.
And we still need to fix this.
We didn't take them off because here the seat belts are attached, and this car needs gas soon, so we need to drive it, and without the seat belts it's not that safe. So we're just gonna leave these on, and I don't know, maybe
down the road we'll fix them.
Down the road we'll fix them, or if I find some cheap replacement parts on Facebook Marketplace or something, maybe I'll go pick those up. And also this, like Anthony said to me, it's like
that one is like ripped from the seat belt, like rubbing up against it, so that's also
really hard to fix.
Yeah, but everything else, like, really,
yeah, came out great.
Yeah, so another Saturday afternoon, another working until dark.
But another day well spent.
I hope you guys enjoyed our somewhat detailing video, but yeah, the car looks really nice. We would make more beauty shots, but it's too dark and we don't really have that much lighting here, so stay tuned. It's not gonna be in vain. We are gonna have some nice beauty shots when this thing gets done. But that's all good time for this week, guys. Hope you all enjoyed the video. Drop a comment if you liked it, or tell us what we can do better in the next video, and we will see you all in the next one. Bye.